Alright, welcome to part 2 of this video, and what we have here are these cool looking goggles, and as you can see here, you can see inside, and hopefully they're okay. It looks a little bit on the scratch side right there. Hope they're not scratched, but it comes with a bunch of cables. Anything else in there? Nope. It is the way it is. I think it has some antennas that go on right there. Let's move the camera up a little bit better up there, and then yeah, hopefully I can see well through the goggles and on the drone. What else we got here? Just the basic manual on how to use it, and hopefully it should be very straightforward. I have no idea how to open this, and that frustrates me a little bit. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey